Hey guys, Nathan here from Straight Line Dodge. Today we're going to take a look at plugging in one of our plug-in hybrid electric vehicles. So this will work for a Wrangler 4xe, our Grand Cherokee 4xe, or a Pacifica hybrid. Same instructions for each. So this is our level 2 wall charger. First off, you're going to take out the cable. And with each of our vehicles, the charging port is on the driver's side near the front. Push it open and then insert the cable. You'll hear a click, and then on the dashboard you will see your blue lights showing the progress of the charge. With our level 1 included cable, you'll find it in the back of your vehicle. Same thing whether it's one of our Jeeps or the Pacifica. And then inside, you have our charging cable. So you're going to start off by plugging it into the wall. This is your standard household plug. Oh, sorry, my cable's just a little tangled here. And then you will plug it in. And then you look at the dash lights again and see that it's charging. For further questions, give me a call at 780-998-0900 or see me in person at Straight Line Dodge at 1116 88th Avenue, Fort Saskatchewan. I look forward to seeing you guys soon.